Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 15th of December, 2023. Markets extended gains and settled around the day's high in continuation to the prevailing trend. At close, the Sensex was up 969.55 points, or 1.37% at 71,483.75, and the Nifty was up 274.00 points, or 1.29% at 21,456.70. Biggest gainers on the Nifty were HCL Tech, TCS, Infosys, while losers were Nestle, HDFC Life, Bharti Airtel. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of LTIMINDTREE jumped 4.5% to hit a 52-week high of 6,215.8 rupees on December 15th, after the IT services provider launched a delivery center in Mexico City as part of expanding its presence in Latin America. In the past 1 month, the stock of LTIMINDTREE has surged 13% as against an 8% rise in the Nifty IT index. In an exchange filing on December 15th, LTIMINDTREE said that the delivery center in Mexico City will enable workforce transformation and localization of the company in the Americas. Shares of JM Financial surged 13% on December 15th, following a change in management and allotment of equity shares resulting from the exercise of stock options by eligible employees. The company has appointed Chirag Nigandi as a senior management person, effective December 18th. Nigandi brings with him over 2 decades of leadership expertise in capital markets. He has led some of India's largest equity raises and worked closely with several leading business houses, JM Financial said in a regulatory filing. Shares of GENUS Power Infrastructures Limited gained 5% to 234 rupees, and were locked in the upper circuit early on December 15th, after the company announced its wholly owned subsidiary received a Rs 1,026 crore order for the appointment of advanced metering infrastructure service providers. GENUS Power is among the largest players in India's electricity metering solutions industry with about 27% market share. The company manufactures various kinds of meters and has also developed smart metering solutions. Sterling and Wilson Renewable share price rose 3% to hit 52-week high of 445.30 rupees in the early trade on December 15th, as the company received a settlement amount from GENUS Solar Co. and raising 1,500 rupees crore via QIP. The settlement amount of $30.5 million Rs 254.20 crore, inclusive of reasonable share of legal fees, has been received from GENUS Solar Company Limited, the company said in a press release. Shares of SATIN CREDITCARE network jumped over 4% on December 15th, a day after the microfinance company launched its qualified institutional placement to raise 300 rupees crore. The floor price for the QIP has been approved at 242.81 rupees a share, a 2% discount from the December 14th closing price of 248.55 rupees. The company had approved the fundraising plan in October. SATIN CREDITCARE board gave the go-ahead to raise up to 300 rupees crore in 1 or more tranches and/or 1 or more issuances, simultaneously or otherwise, including by way of private placements, qualified institutions placements and/or any combination thereof or any other method as may be permitted, the company had said. Kiri Industries Limited in daily time frame is trading around 351.70 points with a change of 19.99% and is trading with a net volume of around 4.186 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 304.30, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 86.77. Times Guarantee Limited in daily time frame is trading around 81.95 points with a change of 19.99%, and is trading with a net volume of around 110.462 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 73.15, which is a good indication for the stock. while shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 68.16. SICO Industries Limited in daily time frame is trading around 77.75 points with a change of 19.98% and is trading with a net volume of around 806.658 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 68.10, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 74.53. For the stock recommendation we have, Indian Oil Corporation Limited looks good and can be bought at 124 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 119 rupees and a target of 130 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.